Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I'm here to get you ready for the market open. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals from X and expert stock recommendations. Let's dive in. The biggest story by far is ROKU. Shares are up significantly this morning following news that Fox is moving to acquire the streaming platform in a cash and stock deal valued at around $22 billion. This move is all about Fox looking to capture Roku's massive streaming audience and proprietary data. In the semiconductor space, Micron is surging nearly 8% pre-market. The catalyst here is a wave of major analyst upgrades, with firms like TD Cowen and RBC dramatically hiking their price targets, signaling huge confidence in the company's long-term AI memory demand. VIAV Solutions is also in the spotlight, up over 5%. This move follows confirmation that the company will join the S&P Mid-Cap 400 Index later this month, which is triggering forced buying from passive funds. Tesla is seeing a modest lift, with shares up over 1% as traders digest chatter about potential synergies with SpaceX following its recent IPO. And finally, TTM Technologies is up over 6% as investors continue to pile into AI infrastructure plays. We have a major macro catalyst driving futures higher this morning. Stock futures are rallying across the board, with Nasdaq futures leading the charge after a preliminary peace agreement was announced between the United States and Iran. The deal aims to end the recent conflict and, crucially, reopen the Strait of Hormuz. This is a massive geopolitical development because it has caused oil prices to tumble by around 5%. Lower energy costs are a huge win for inflation sentiment, which is why you are seeing such a broad, risk-on move in the pre-market. Investors are also keeping a close eye on the calendar, with the Federal Reserve meeting on deck this week, where expectations are firmly set for rates to remain unchanged. In the AI economy, the story remains one of massive infrastructure investment and regulatory scrutiny. While the chip giants like NVDA and Micron continue to see bullish sentiment driven by data center demand, there is a new wrinkle in the regulatory landscape. Reports are swirling that the government has ordered Anthropic to block foreign access to its most advanced AI models following a security concern with their latest release. This is a big deal, as it marks a much more aggressive stance from Washington on AI security. Meanwhile, the sector is still churning out innovation. Tradeweb just launched a new conversational AI research assistant, and the startup Undo just landed $37 million to help engineers debug code written by AI agents. It is a clear reminder that the AI arms race is moving from just building models to managing the security and reliability of the code itself. Looking at other stocks in focus, the optical networking space is seeing a collective lift, with companies like Applied Optoelectronics and Marvell Technology both posting strong gains alongside VIAV, as the industry benefits from the ongoing data center upgrade cycle. We are also watching the travel and airline sectors, which are getting a nice tailwind from the sharp drop in oil prices I mentioned earlier. On the earnings front, it is a quiet day for major names, but we are keeping an eye on Regencell Bioscience, which is reporting before the open. The company has a small market cap, so expect some volatility there, but it is not a major market mover today. That is the lay of the land for this morning. We have a massive geopolitical breakthrough with the Iran peace deal driving oil down and stocks up, a major acquisition play with Fox and Roku, and continued focus on the AI infrastructure trade. Thanks for tuning in to Finpod. If you enjoyed the show, please like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment if there is a specific stock or sector you want me to cover next time. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. See you at the opening bell.